Let's talk energy drinks. Celsius Holdings bills itself also as a fitness beverage company. It came to this country in February of last year and now says that its performance in Canada has exceeded expectations. We are joined by the CEO of Celsius Holdings, John Fieldly. John, thanks very much for giving us the time.
Thank you for having us today.
Give us a rough scorecard on how you've done in Canada. I mean, how much of your total sales would be from this country, if you can give us a ballpark idea?
Yeah, it's we're just getting started. Like you mentioned, we just launched in January of 2024, but it's gone really well. Health and wellness trends are getting stronger each and every day, and the DNA of Celsius is all about living fit and aspiring everyone to live their life to the fullest and accomplish their goals and becoming some really great, refreshing flavors. And the category is evolving. The category is up 9%, and our sales in Canada this year alone are up 44%. So really excited about the momentum and bringing people and encouraging everyone to live fit and live life to the fullest.
Now, of course, people think, well, they're rivals to Monster, Monster, and a big name in the field. But you're not just about caffeinated drinks for young teenage boys, are you? And high sugar. For example, you've got caffeine-free offerings.
Well, what we do is we're differentiated with our better for you position, and we are driving the sugar-free segment of the category. It's one of the biggest segments of growth within the overall energy category. One thing, we have over 7 essential vitamins in our product, as well as we do have caffeine, which really elevate your lifestyle and help you accomplish your goals and power you through the day. And that really differentiates us. And we were born in fitness and health and wellness, born in the gyms, but now we're positioned for broad mass appeal with the changing lifestyles of consumers.
Just clarify that for me. Some of your drinks have no caffeine, or how does that work?
All of our products have caffeine in it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Equal to about 2.5 cups of your traditional coffee. Those coffee houses that are around the corners that you find are probably about equal caffeine to a can of Celsius.
Sorry, I was...
No sugar.
I beg your pardon. I was reading a report there that indicated you had some caffeine-free offerings. You just did an acquisition of a brand that's aimed at women. Are women generally, for the energy drink category, if I can call it that, are women a smaller customer base?
Historically, the females have been a smaller portion of the overall sales within the energy drink category. But what we're seeing, the energy category has gone mainstream, and we're seeing more female consumers enter the category than ever before, and it's anticipated that there'll be a larger portion of purchases for years to come. Because Alani Nu is a product, as a portfolio we just acquired back on April 1st. It really goes after that female consumer. It's about health and wellness and lifestyle. Comes in really refreshing flavors as well. We have a peach flavor, cotton candies, some really fun flavors along the way.
What about the demographic? Is it mostly teenagers and young people and men in their 20s? Is that still the core franchise for energy drinks?
Core franchise is right around 18 to 24 is what we target as Celsius. And Alani, we're bringing new consumers into the category. Historically, if you look at the actual sales of traditional energy, it's right around that 25 to 35-year-olds is your really core heavy users, consumers, mainly male. But the Celsius and Alani portfolios are expanding this usage occasion. And what we're seeing is larger sales moving away from that impulse purchase and the convenience channel to larger formats like food and mass. And what we're seeing is Celsius and Alani are becoming part of a pantry purchase, part of a daily routine and a daily lifestyle, and really changing the way consumers consume energy. Just
looking at your stock, I mean, for a while you were a star. The shares soared through 2024. They have come down sharply since then. Why have investors cooled off a bit on the name?
Yeah, in 2024, we saw negative growth in the U.S. market. The category has been pretty resilient in the U.S. It went negative for the first time in Q3. Saw it kind of flatten out in Q4. And this year in Q1 of 2025, start to see the category growth back. Celsius woke up the competition with some of the top players with flavor innovations and really leaning into sugar-free. So we had some headwinds we're overcoming. But we have a great portfolio and a foundation and really great innovation plan for this year that is more balanced throughout the year. We had a slow start to the year, but we started to see sales pick up towards the end of the first quarter, and we feel we're well positioned for summer.
We have a very concentrated retail food market, as I'm sure you know. How has breaking into it been? Has it been tough?
At any time entering with new products and new markets is tough. Retail environment is very highly competitive, but due to the success we're seeing, within a variety of formats and the health and wellness and the success we have in fitness, we've been able to break through some of the distribution hurdles, gaining additional shelf space. And with the growth we've seen with the success, we've been able to expand further throughout Canada. So we're really well positioned. We started with 4 flavors, and now we're moving up to 8 this year. This year we have a Cosmic Vibe flavor launching with Celsius, which is a sparkling fruit punch, which is truly out of this world. You'll see that in stores near you very soon.
I have seen the product around a lot, John, for sure. You're getting decent distribution from what I've seen. John, thank you very much.
Thank you. Cheers.
John Fieldley, CEO of Celsius Holdings, coming.